Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Dear friends, this is Master Satya and your dear Sambalpuriya Pila. Dear friends, as you know, we are on an expedition for long 2-3 days, and today we are at Lake Chilika in the Ganjam district at Barkul, and today we are going on a sea voyage, not sea voyage actually, the lake voyage of water voyage in Barkul. On we are today going to visit Kalijai Mandir, and I hope I will able to explore the beautiful site and let you know the many different things here. You will enjoy the wondrous views as well as the beautiful sights, the spellbound beauty of Lake Chilika. And so today, let's go. We are setting out right now, and my friends have already started off their journey, and so I am just accompany them. So let's visit. Hello guys, journey started now, and our team is now getting down, and we are going to checking out at the hotel right now. My team is at the downstairs. Okay, now we are putting our things inside the car. Then we'll march ahead to our dream destination, the Lake Chilika. So guys, stay tuned with us. Let's go, man. So guys, we station our car here, and now we are going to the destination. Now I will show you, this is Pantha Nivas, the rest house for the tourist. I'm with my friends and they are going slowly towards the place. This Pantha Nivas is an initiative by the government of Odisha to boost the tourism in our Odisha, and it's a beautiful venture by the government. And beside the Pantha Nivas, you can also find a lot of beautiful cottage over here. They're beautifully designed everywhere. All have been surrounded with beautiful gardens that will feel the nature. Hello. Hello, Dada. Hello, Karo.
Hello.
Hey guys, look back. Say hello here. Kete tongka ada? 30. Okay, ठीक है. So I bought prasada for what do you call? This is called bhoga and offerings for deity. And karwai. So guys, my friends are negotiating for ticket. So we are on a boating. We have to go for a boating. Therefore, they are negotiating with the government officials. And these people are saying that there are very less number of tourists, so they cannot book the government boat, right? Because it has 40 number of seaters, as the employee there is saying about all this. So we are planning to board a private stream boat. Okay, this is the campus over here. And cottages are also there, right? I showed you earlier. Beautiful gardens everywhere. So there are many facilities here: jet ski ride, speed boat, right? The posters speak about the different kind of boat racing over here. So these are the different things lined with before going to the lake site. It's a small market over here. So guys, let's explore what different things can be seen. I don't have much of time to talk individually to all the sellers over here. So you can see guys, all these places are being lined with shops. It was very busy and buzzing in the evening, but right now they have not started off yet. Okay.
କାଟିଦିଅ ଆମର ଏଇଠି କାହିଁ ଲେଖୁଛ କାଟି ଦେଇକି ଦେଇଦିଅ 6 ଜଣ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କର ଥରେ ଗୋଟେ ବୋଟ୍ର ଫଟୋ ବୋଲେ ଏଇଠି ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିଥିବୁ ହଁ ଏଇଠି ଆପଣ ବୁଲାବୁଲି କରିଥାନ୍ତୁ ଫୋନ୍ ନମ୍ବରଟା ବି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 6 ଜଣ ଆସିଲେ ଆମେ ଡାକିଦେବୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଡବଲ
Okay, guys, my friends are talking about the tickets. Okay, so that man is saying that it will take 1100 and the boat shall be 11 seats, right? So we will not take any private boat because of the risk factor. As you know, if you go with a troop, then it can be very good. So therefore we have to wait for some time to other people to come off and book the ticket there. Okay, that is the thing. We have to take a private boat, but this time we are quitting the ideas because of the risk factor. Okay, guys, so safety is very very important. Guys, after a few moments of wait, we finally board a boat. That would be a houseboat, I think, and then we will move right now. We will be accompanying with a family. They are 5 in numbers and we people are in 6. My friend so are marching at the spot and we hope you can see a lot of boat have been stationed there. Video off for me. Why should I off? Okay. So guys, we are now going to board the boat that is on there and hope it will be wonderful experience. This is first time I'm riding a boat. Sometime. Guys, we leave the station now. It's quite noisy right now. Guys, we are moving on the beautiful waters of Lake Chilika. It's so beautiful. I don't have any kind of words of the beautiful side of the place. And indeed, a very very beautiful sight over here. Now you can see this beautiful eagle, right? The white belly eagle, they are very close to us. Wow! Wow! It's so beautiful, guys. Chilika is a place for many migratory birds, and this bird can be seen during the winter time. They come to this place from the different part of the world, especially from the Central Asia, where there is very very heavy wintry. It's indeed a bird of, I think I'm not audible. My friends are enjoying giving some fodder to these beautiful birds. These all are white bellied goods, right? Lot of eagles, beautiful birds can be seen over here. It's mesmerizing. Very very, the aquafina here is indeed very very mesmerizing. It is a home to many sort of aquatic animal over here. A lot of birds you can find on the surface of the water. I'm just enthralled, guys. Really enjoying this voyage. You can find a lot of beautiful mountains and hills over here. In the very far boat can be seen that all are sailing on the belly of the water. The water appears to be mixed with the horizon. Look guys, so many beautiful birds over here. They are just rushing towards us to take the food over here. This is our entire trip, a family and our friends over here. The beautiful place is just wonderful, right? Guys, one cannot describe the beautiful place of Lake Chilika. It is beyond the artistic quality of a painter and beyond the imagination of a poet. It's so much, so full. So guys, we are traveling to see the beautiful place, the ethereal beauty of the Kalijai temple. I'm sailing at the vast sea over here. The place is not actually a sea, it is the fractured portion of the sea, Bay of Bengal. That Bay of Bengal has protrude into the landmass of India, and this particular place is located in Odisha. It ranges about 60 kilometers, okay, and making it a beautiful lagoon, a beautiful inland lake. So this place is very, very important for many different reasons. It's a beautiful site for so many aquatic lives. The beautiful sightseeing over here, then a lot of lives, a lot of people are thronging into the place. Let's see guys. मजा लागुछ ना वो. I'm enjoying with my body. Wow guys, we are at the middle of the sea, middle of the beautiful lake. You can find the beautiful birds moving around, right? So beautiful. The side is so. Now we have approached to Ma Kalijai. This barre. Okay. Now the birds are approaching. Photo time. Okay guys, we came to the ethereal beauty of the temple to witness the beautiful sight here. It's Ma Kalijai Mandir. It's so beautiful. It's located on an island, on a lake island. It's so splendid. From here, I feel very happy to be here. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. Wow. It's so beautiful guys. Camera bhi hoche. Wow. So this is the place where the ship is going to be stationed right now. Oh my God. Now we came to the holy place. Oh. Guys, keep watching. I will explore the beautiful site here. I will let you show the many different things here. Many tourists. So guys, we finally stationed at the shore of the island, Ma Kalijai Island. It's so magnificent here. Oh my God, it's so splendid place. We will do darshana here and stay for long half an hour or an hour. Team is there. They are getting down from the ship, getting down from the small boat. Okay, we were 11 in the boat, but I have come to see this beautiful sight with my 3 friends from my village. So this is the side, right? Ma Kalijai Mandir. It's a beautiful temple. On the temple premises, we can find lot of shop. Basically deal with different kind of items. Yes, buddy. Okay. So guys, we came at the premises. You can find lots here. These all are the different kind of things they are marketing over here. Okay. So guys, it's the temple of Mata Kalijai. There's a lot many things are related to this temple, right? A number of legends, a number of Puranic tradition goes for my friends are lighting the holy candle. I'm also right now. So guys, after the Devi Darshan, we will see the different site here. Guys, this is the Bhas Sea. As I told you, this protrude into the inland of Odisha and create a very, very beautiful view here. Lot of birds over here. We are at the viewpoint over here. Lot of viewpoint have been created for the tourist, and this offer the beholder the beautiful sight of the Nalavana, the different kind of islands, the hills, everything you can see here. I'm just mesmerized. I'm so just moved with the stunning beauty of this place. It's very, very attractive. Guys, we can find also a lot of shop here. Okay, every kind of things, both tiffin, snacks are available over here. Special jhalmuri mixture, satpuria, mitha and bhogo. Delicious sweets, different kind of articles are being sold over here. Right, this offers a lot many things over here to gauge your fun, to see the beautiful sight here. And my friends have entered there to take some tiffin over here, and after that we will see the site over here. So this is the temple premises and my friends are there, right? Okay, I'm to going. So it's the restaurant type, right? Here meals and both tiffin are also sold. Wait. It's looking very, very delicious and sweet. Oh my god, it's so spacious, and we have sit here to take some snacks over here. क्या बोल छो क्या बोलू छो काना खामा इनो एंता को लेटा बाबू सिंगड़ा बरा लंका चौक So guys, it's the time to go back. Sea beach ready there, boat is ready there. We're still enjoying. We feel like that we'll stay for a very long time, but time is not permitting us to stay any longer. His brother has come to call us to collect all the true crew member of that boat. हाँ जब आ जाओ गोटे मिनट पर जाओ. This is the rocky surface. You can find the onshore are very rocky. Small island. You can find such many island over here. सब उठो जा पिले चलो रे केते फोटो आस ए पिले से पूरा टेंशन है गला न हेडे. So guys, it was indeed a very beautiful trip to this beautiful island, to the magnificent temple of Ma Kalijai. So guys, now we will be going back and our boat is ready there and they are calling us so many times, but we still met delay. So bye guys, thank you, see you all. And now this time I will not be busy with my camera. I will just enjoy the beautiful sight of the sea voyage. So bye for now, Tata. Oh guys, bye. Say bye. इतना ही उठाऊंगा और ज़्यादा.
बाय बाय काली जाए.
Bye.